Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio and Visual in Winchester. This is a video of a Polo having a Kenwood DMX5023DABS fitted. This particular car had a stereo just down in here behind that panel there, and the standard sort of touch screen. It's actually gone faulty in this one. The cost was about £2,500 for a replacement, so we've got all the adaptions all from ACV, and so all the steering wheel controls work. We've moved all the looms, etc. So now you've got a standard style fascia trim there for a Polo. This 5023, it's got digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. There we are, as you can see, the Apple CarPlay. It's got all the standard features of your Apple Maps. It's quite to show with the reflection. There we are, and you go across and you've got all your BBC sounds, etc. This has also got the camera input available as well if you wanted that. We've also utilised the standard USB port for the CarPlay, which is a nice little feature. If you'd like to have this installed into your Polo, replacing the 5F, the original stereo, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.